Hey guys, I'm back. Show you a quick review, overview with the, oh, my wife came up with a name, Summer. So it's gonna be summer. But there go my son, Model 3, picked that up in 2021. He loved it. That's cool. Put a video up when we picked that up. This is what I'm driving temporary for now until I get my X. But let me show you a couple of issues. I'm gonna try to do this quick with one take. I really hate editing, but I'm gonna try to do it in one take and show y'all a lot of issues that we have with the car. Number one, the color is off. If you can really see, my homegirl pointed out to me, went with me to pick it up. She was like, don't the color look off? And I was like, no. And then if you look at that to that, it's kind of, I don't know if Tesla using old color with new color. I don't know, but it's off. Yeah, I got this big gap, bread poop on the car. But if you look, I make all these issues I'm talking about. I didn't make appointment with Tesla. That's a big gap compared to this side. It's more thinner, more look, But that's usual. But you can actually see it, so I definitely look like the fender need to go up some or something. So I definitely make an appointment for that. Second issue was the door. Was it this side or the next side? One of the door, I think it's this side. The front door is out more than the back. So we make an appointment for that also. Here's this side. You can see the back door look more sinking. It's not level. So that's our next appointment. And the next issue that we had is this one. This door, this thing right here don't work. So it don't work. You can't really see, no, it's kind of dark. But right here, if you look, it's above the, supposed to be flush. It's not flush. So the emergency release don't work. So I also make an appointment for that. Right here, see? It's above. It should have been more flat, but we make an appointment for that also. You out? Yeah. Oh, there go my son, he leaving. Oh, well, we made an appointment for that. For that part, this part. But otherwise, everything else, love it, love it, love it. Love the car. Yeah, I love that. Miss that presenting door, like I said before in other videos. Love that. Do the extra stuff. Like I said, I had a camera here. I wish they had lights right here. Okay, everybody who had Model X, they don't know what I'm talking about. You get this little light back here, and that's all it shine light. That's for people like more in the back. You can see, you sit down right there. We need lights here. So like you have like a reading lamp. If there was to put like lights right here, or you ran and hook up to that. So therefore, like when you put on the light, you get light over here, shining from here to here. Same thing goes on that side, from there to there. Tesla should do something like that. I'm gonna look and see if I can get a light. I'm probably install it right here, a little light. Maybe like it's slanted, so when I push a push button or something, you can get light here and light here. This, love the steering wheel. I had the one I had bought from Alibaba one website, and the Ola X, I put it in. I'll put that video up. You can look at that if you want, you choose to. But I actually want to sell those or give it away, either or, because I don't got no use for them anymore. I got the full round one, and then I got the half one that I just told them cut the steering wheel, and they did it. So, but this is official. This feels so real. Love the screen. The screen is so amazing. It have the tilt like you see over and over. Like I said, yeah, the tilt is cool. Just wish it could have stopped. Yeah, see, you can put a stop. The setup, this is nice. You can open the doors again. Same thing you do before in the older one. Close the door. Nice. Open the back door and so on. I like how this animated show you everything. The older one used to it, but this is more like realistic showing. You can hold it down again and it will open up more. Show like in real time how hard the door go and everything. So that's hot. I like that. This, like I mentioned before, love how they do this pieces. You still have your drawer. You got a compartment over here. Love that. How you light up, mention that. Push that open up. And like I said, back here now, you could use this to recline the seat. So you get way more lay back. We could pull it up and sit up. Push all the way up. The vent, you could turn it off. Air is blowing. You could do your media, heated seat, all nice features. Like I said, this is just the 5 seat. You do your music. There you go, your Netflix, Disney Plus, Twitch, Hulu, and YouTube. Like I mentioned, when I put the Starlight in this one, I want to see maybe I could put some in the speaker, because like I said, my Model X didn't have that. When I did the Starlight, I also put that video up. You could watch when I did the installation. And like I said, I can't wait to get the TV up to show y'all. Like the ventilated seat. The other Tesla, my Tesla didn't have that. I had the 6 seat I mentioned. Is the 5 seat. Back here, the change I like on the 22, because I want to see the 21 plaid refresh or just the refresh. They have the older light with a smaller door for the charging port. The black, I'm being honest, I don't like the black. A lot of people like it. I don't. I mean, it should be an option where you could put black or chrome, to tell you the truth. I'd rather that. This part, also rubber part, I gotta see I get that fixed. When I pick up the car, I'll show you in the video when I said, I don't know what's going on with that. Tons and tons of room back here. I like that. But I had the 6 seats, so I'm thinking the same 6 seat gonna stop right here, so this is nice. They also got this shelf. We didn't have that before. And that shelf right here. Then we got, you know, down here, more storage. And more storage. Umbrellas. I got these from Tesla. Oh yeah. Anyhow. But yeah. This look more, actually better. They changed the lights also, because I kept my old lights from when I get in an accident with my Model X, and these lights is totally different. They changed all the lights, so usually order them lights, so they're okay bright, but I'm probably gonna need it brighter. This one up there. So they changed all the lights, even the light down here, the light over here. They got those wrong lights before, like a rectangle lights. But yeah, like I was saying with the black trim, I really don't like it. A lot of people like the black trim. To me, the black trim is like the lower grade. I just, in my opinion, it's like this. This is the lower Nissan Rogue. So they'll have the black. Just hear me out, hear me out. I know a lot of y'all like it. I don't like it. That's just my opinion, right? But it's black. Now, let's say if I had like the limited edition or special edition, whatever, then it would be the chrome trim. So like thing with the chrome trim, make it look like you spend more for your money. That's just me. All cars is like that. So the black, like I said, it looked nice, but not for me. I'd rather the chrome. Tesla should get an option where you can do the black or the chrome in the back. That way, you know, you get your own option. Like I said, but it still look nice. Black on black, everything. But that's the couple issue I had. So I gotta get this door fixed. This gap definitely fixed. I don't know what they're gonna do about the color, but It's not the same color. They had the black. This look, that looks fine. Well, like I was saying, I just wish they had the chrome. Of course, you know, they got better cameras now for the side, the back, and so on, which I like. Also like how they have the live view. And if I do it camera, I like, no, only when you put it in reverse. You could get this big when you put a car in reverse. Okay, close all doors. I got the door open, but if I slide that down, you can get the whole camera. I like that. If you hit this one, then you'll get the side cameras. See? So you press that, you get a whole view. That's hot. Love that. I really love this screen, instrumental, whatever you want to call it. I like how you can drop it over and switch it on either side. Love that. Love when you, like, everything in the car is way better to me. But yeah, you got your heated seat, your cool seat now, the ventilator seat and everything. I love the design, how it look like them aftermarket when you could go and get it done. But Tesla stepping up. I know they take a lot of, my biggest thing, I'm telling y'all, that light. We need that light in here. People who got Tesla, I don't know. If you don't agree with me, I don't know. Something wrong. Cause that light back, this not doing. Look, the light is on all the way bright. All the light is on. Look how dark in here, look. I'm just saying, you just need one light here, one light here. I would love that. Well, trust me. Knowing me, I will come up with something. Cause I always do it. You see how I put the TVs in? I always do it. Door going close or whatever. But yeah, that's a quick review. That the little problem we have with Snowbell. Oh gosh, I miss my Snowbell. With Summer, the wife car. We're gonna have that coming soon for y'all. Hopefully we get that issue, and then when I do, I have the power trunk. Definitely gonna do that. Oh, let me show you the lights quick fast before I go. Show you the lights that I was talking about. Frank. So these are the lights. These was the light that I had from Amtrak Ocean. These are LEDs one, but since Tesla changed it, it's smaller now. These are LEDs. I don't got used to it no more. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. And then look, oh yeah, the trunk is bigger. Cause my ex trunk wasn't this big, but there's no lights in here. Before, used to have lights in here too, but there's no lights in here. But otherwise, car is nice, sweet. Got a new fender, just like the 3. I love how that look. Give you that nice aggressive look. But oh well, guys, that's it. Trying to make this video quick and short, but it happened to be a little bit long. Sorry about that. But that's the issue that we have, and we're gonna get it fixed. And as soon as we do, we'll start putting all my things together. All right, so hope you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.